Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to speed up your Roku device in a matter of seconds. Now to do this, all you need to do is from the home screen, scroll down and hover over the settings option. Once you're on the settings option, simply scroll down and you should see this option here for system. Once you're on the option for system, scroll over and you'll notice all these options here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over power. And once I hover over power, you can scroll down and click this option that says system restart. Now this will complete a quick system reboot of your Roku device. So I'm going to click that and then I'm going to click restart. And now it says restarting. And guys, by restarting or rebooting your Roku device, or really any streaming device in general, this is a super quick tip that will actually improve your device speeds. You're going to have to give it, a few seconds while your Roku device is rebooting in the background. But that's it, guys. A lot of people don't really think about, rebooting or restarting your device, but you should be doing this on at least a monthly basis, I would recommend. This will keep your device up and running smoothly without any issues. All right, guys, and after a minute or so, we are now back on the Roku home screen. And that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. Appreciate you watching this quick video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. Hope this tutorial helped you out. Guys, I look forward to creating more content like this in the near future.